Riri ciiko cia ucini na uthukangia wa mathukuru ithiite na mbere kuongerereka. Minista wa mbiraru Rachael Omamo nioete mwaka uyu kuuria arutwo gwithema na ciiko ici oro hamwe na kwaga wagagu o wothe wigimaine na kigerio kia muthia wa mwaka. Guku akimoria guthingata mitugo mega thukuru-ini na micini yao. Omamo ni athingatite bata wa aciari kwaga guteaniria ureri wa ciana kuri arimu.
Just work hard, remain calm, and you'll get through your exams. Your teachers are here, your parents are here. There's no need to burn the school. Yes? There's no need to become hysterical about exams. That's not the sort of Kenyan young people we want.
Uge wa Omamo ni unyititwo mbaru ni mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu Elizabeth Njoroge na uria uritie aciari kurunga ciana ciao mitugo riria mari micii.
So wazazi tunawapenda sana, mkienda nyumbani tafadhali chukueni fursa ya kuzungumza na hawa wanafunzi. There are so many challenges out there, and when we break for such a holiday like this, it's when we realize that some of our students get lost a little bit.
Na kunati o mundu ari kiheo ngurani, Omamo ni aritie arutwo kwitikira na kwitikia akiuga ni njira imwe ya gutigirira ni makinyaniria iroto ciao hatari muhinga o wothe.
Each of us is different. Each of us has a special attribute. Each of us is unique. And I think one of the most difficult things you have as a girl at your age is trying not to be yourself, trying to be like someone else. You're trying to be like Rihanna, trying to be like Beyonce, you want to lose weight to be thin, you want to be light-skinned, you want all these things. But you know, the Lord doesn't make mistakes. When the Lord makes you, He makes you in His own image, and you're good enough. And there's nobody else that's better than you.
Minista uyu ugitie ati wagi wa mitugo mega bururi-ini ni gitumi kimwe kia iria icungiririe ugaku wa ugitiri bururi-ini.
You have to try and be honest. It's not easy to be honest in life, but it's important to have a go, trying every day to do the right thing. You have to be respectful of others. You will get nowhere in life if you trample all over other people.
Na guku arutwo makihinga mathukuru uri muthia wa itena ria keri ria mathomo mwaka uyu eria ni muritie aciari gukorwo marikionereria kiega kuri ciana ciao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, njitagwo wa ng'ombe wa Maina.